Hey May, so many things to absolutely love about this essay. First of all, I love these side-by-side photos. And I love this drawing that you put at the end. The whole essay just has this really personal feel to it that I think is really, really important in a photo essay. You're trying to capture this time, this time that is going to be remembered forever and ever because something like this has never happened before. But yet your essay has made it so personal, and that's really exactly what you needed to do. I love the little structure you have. Now we always have to do this, but at least, and you have that here, right? But at least everyone has to keep 6 feet distance from each other, but at least we can still go outside. Picture of your violin teacher. This is so, I love this. Um, Cooking, going to the beach, and then of course this drawing at the end. Really, really, really well done. So personal, May, and so very beautiful. Really great job. Really, really.